Hello. Full disclosure, I don't know how to do this one, but I will show you my process because maybe that'll be helpful. I don't know. So I saw this one and I thought, so we start up here and then we swing down here and we've got, is my pen going? No. Add notes. I do want to add notes. Okay, so we've got gravity down here, tension holding this up. We're not sinking, we're not floating, so the tension all has to be balanced out by force of gravity, right? So Fg equals the tension. Fg equals mg since we're near the surface of the Earth. So the mass of the rock is 0.2, gravity is 9.8. Bada bing, bada boom. You multiply those. 1.96. I was like, sweet, it's B. And then I checked the answer key and it was like, it's not B. And I was like, wow. This is the centripetal motion test, so let's do some centripetal motion stuff. So holding us in there, so the tension comes from, or the centripetal motion comes from tension, so we got mv squared over r. The mass is still 0.2. We don't know the velocity, and the radius is 5 meters. So let's find that velocity. So up here we start at rest, where it's all gravitational, and then down here we're going fast and it's all kinetic. So mgh equals 1/2 mv squared. The masses cancel out, so we got 9.8, that's a height of 5 meters, equals 1/2 v squared. One equation, one unknown. Let's figure out what this velocity is. 9.8 times 5 divided by 0.5, 0.5, that's whatever. The velocity is 6.26. I want to do that again because I was talking. Yeah, that's why I do it again. 9.899. Okay, so I'm going to plug that in over here for this velocity. So, floop, plug that in there. So square it times 0.2 divided by 5. I cannot talk and use my calculator at the same time. So that equals 3.92. I was like, oh, okay, I guess the answer is C. Nope. Answer key says the answer is D. And that's what you get when you add these numbers together. I think they're saying we've got mg going here, and that's our 1.96. And I know we have our centripetal force here, which is 3.92. But those are going opposite directions. If anything, you should subtract them to see what's left. But that's assuming that like centripetal force and tension are like different things, and they're not. The centripetal force comes from tension. So I think the answer key is wrong, but it's possible that I'm misunderstanding something. If you know how to do this one, or if you know for sure that the answer key is wrong, I would love to know more. But you add them together and get 5.88. Yeah, I don't know. That's all I get. I'm sorry.